natin ang malawak na pagbibigay ng ideya. Pinagpapatuloy natin ang demokrasyang minamahal natin para sa ating republika, para sa bayan, para sa bayan, para sa bayan,
Para sa bayan!
sa bayan. Alisin ang board! Alisin! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
We're here today to demand accountability from our public officials, most especially to bring to the public consciousness our disgust and disdain for what's happening recently with the pork barrel scam and all these anomalies in Congress, especially when it comes to PDAF.
We're looking at systemic issues here so that it does not return. So let's look at the concept itself of the PDAF. And if it's going to be abolished, then how then do we reallocate? It's small. It's 1% of the budget. It's of a 2.5 trillion budget, 2.4. The PDAF is small, but it's not so much the size. It's the principle of the thing, the accountability, the transparency that were absent in the spending of this sum. So I hope that we can address these issues as Ateneans, as Filipinos.
Nandito ako para sabihin sawang-sawa na ako. 2 beses na ako nakaranas ng EDSA Revolution. At kung hindi pa rin natatanggal ang sistema ng katiwalian na gara parang nangyayari ngayon, nakakapagod na to pero patuloy tayong gumagawa ng ganitong mga bagay.